Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will guide you through our headache location chart. A headache location chart is a visual tool that shows diagrams of a person with coloured areas of the head that indicate pain. Each of the diagrams represents a different type of headache based on the pain's location. Though commonly used by clients, medical practitioners may also use our headache location chart as a visual aid or a document where they can write down any findings or observations on the patient. Here is a list of headaches that we have in our chart: sinus headache, tension and stress headache, migraine, cluster headache, TMJ disorder, and allergy headache. To use our free headache location chart, follow these steps. Download our headache location chart from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. The first step in using the headache chart is determining the type of headache you are experiencing. Headaches come in various forms such as tension headaches, migraines, cluster headaches, or sinus headaches. Recognizing the specific type is essential for accurate tracking and potential treatment. With the chart in hand, carefully examine the visual representation of the human head and face provided on the chart. Use it as a reference to identify and mark the precise location where you feel the headache. Different headache types manifest in distinct areas, making this step crucial for diagnosis. Assess the severity of your headache pain and assign it as a numerical score, usually on a scale of 1 to 10. This rating helps quantify your discomfort and provides valuable information for personal tracking and healthcare consultations. Here is a sample of our headache location chart, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our headache location chart, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a variety of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.